chromium or chromium iron alloy, a steel additive, to produce a variety of high-strength, corrosion resistance, wear resistance, high-temperature resistance, oxidation resistance of the special steel, chromium or ball press, should be prepared before pressing materials. The blast furnace production of chromium ore industry needs concentrate, and the pellet production of chromium ore ball press also needs concentrate. Pellet raw materials should have certain particle size, suitable moisture, uniform and good chemical composition, which are important guarantees for the production of chromium ore. Our company is the first in the domestic development of the corresponding chrome or ball press put into production, has achieved good results, because the pellet strength and the pressure of the chromium or ball press machine itself is inseparable. The particle size is finer, the shape of the material particle is changed, the surface activity is enhanced, and the pelletizing performance is greatly improved.